sick, injured and abandoned pets every month. Please help us.
Oh!
At bluecross.org.uk.
5-course lashing. I'll stop, shall I?
I mean, that's it. You know, I brought a little coat, and I thought, oh, it is going to get cold after all.
What are you playing at?
Don't mind me, mate.
And also pregnancy classes, and I kept in contact, obviously, with a group of ladies that I was teaching just before all this hit, and we had to.
This is how this works, eh? Ooh! Whoops. That was close. Just to get around the truck. Was that worth it? And now that truck's pulled off. And now he's gone round again. Probably piss him off. Hey! Don't fancy waiting in the traffic. Go on the pavement.
I look like a bus. Enjoy your lovely ticket in the post. And you don't look like a bus. And you.
I think the key thing here is baby is.
That's it, you just walk into the street. Just walk into the street. It's fine, it's a green light, but you know, sod it. Just wander into the road. You absolute idiot. Just inconvenience everybody. Don't worry about it. What the hell's that car doing? That's why I'm going that way.
It's just come through a red light.
It stopped at the next light.
You stupid. miles an hour, you're f***ing stupid. What a stupid
Swap. Oh, and then you got stuck in traffic. Nice. Very, very nice.
Of the major countries that really have a bigger problem than us. I think we have the greatest doctors in the world. We've offered in islands. Now the Coast Guard say they recorded around 10 to 1 in the afternoon.
You don't see many of those Ford Escorts anymore.
This multi-agency search
Red for you.
Come on, cross.
Two of them. What are you doing? Well, go on then. Thank you. Be nice. So rude. Nice one.
Asshole. Right now. Pull out fucking. Pull out.
Maybe it's probably not the best place to take your toddler walking, love, if I'm honest.
The side.